Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Wishes and Wonder bundle. So here's the card. Here's some fun little pieces I'm going to use, and these are the other pieces. I'm just going to slide these away and bring in the bundle. So here's the Wishes and Wonder bundle. It's so fun to use. It's got these images that can be cut out with these dies right here. And then this can be cut out with the circle or with this fun die right here. And then it's got these extra images right here. And then these are what I use. This is what I use to cut out all these fun pieces here and what I use to add them right there. So of course this bundle is 10% off when you purchase them together. I've also used the 'Tis the Season Designer Series paper, and this has got some really fun different designed paper plaids and trees and holly and bells, all kinds of fun paper here. It also has a ribbon combo as part of the suite. So there's this thick ribbon, and there's also a gold cord as part of the ribbon combo. And also, let's see, there's these wonderful gems that are part of the suite. So fun suite of products. So I'm going to just adhere down this Designer Series paper, and then I'm going to adhere the vellum. I'm just gonna hide the adhesive like behind where I'm gonna put the Wonder of Christmas. So I'm just gonna put it like right down here. Like right there. That's where we'll put the Wonder of Christmas. And then we've got all these fun branches. And I'm gonna use some liquid glue, and I've already stamped and cut out the reindeer. And I've colored him using a blender pen to kind of bring out the crumb cake color. I stamped him in crumb cake, and it kind of helps. You just use the ink that's already there, which is cool, and you just bring out the color that's already there. And then I'm gonna put my reindeer right up here, and I'm just gonna use this as my guide. So I'm gonna put this right about here, and then the reindeer is gonna go about here, and then I'm gonna use that as my guide to place these leaves. So this one's gonna go, place this up a little bit so it fits on the card better. So that one's gonna go about there. And we'll place this one up here. And then we'll do this one down here. And then we'll add this one up here. Okay, now we can add reindeer. And then we will stamp the sentiment right on here. And then we can add some dimensionals to this. And then I'm gonna add all the fun little gold foil dots that I cut out with that die. And I'm gonna use the Take Your Pick tool to make it super easy to add those dots. So I'm just gonna add like a little bit of glue where I want the dots to be. So right here, over here, over here. So got my take your pick tool, and I'm just going to use that to pick it up and put it down. And it just makes it super easy. We'll do a big one over here, and then do another big one over here, and a medium one right there, smaller one right there, and a big one right there, and a small one right there. And then we've got all these extra ones that we can use for another card, but that is the card right there. So I'm offering a card kit, Class to Go. So it consists of 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs. So there's this card right here, and then there's this card. Let's see if I can get this all even here. And then there's this card right here. And so all you have to do is place a $30 order on my website. Just go to elainescreations.net and use the November hostess code on your screen. And then just email me at elaine@elainescreations.net and let me know that you would like the Wishes and Wonder card kit. And I will send it right out to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.